Namaste everyone. Welcome to SS Craft Mantra. In today's tutorial, we are going to make Alphabet Q gift box and Alphabet Q chocolate hamper, which can be given to your loved ones. This is a series where I had made all alphabet boxes and cute gifts for each alphabet. Do check out Alphabets and Numbers Craft playlist for more such videos. Without wasting time, let's get started with the tutorial. First, I am going to show you how to draw a perfect alphabet Q with the help of 2-inch grid paper. Draw 2-inch lines as shown in the video. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe SS Craft Mantra and hit the bell icon. Select all so that you'll get all notifications whenever I upload a new video. Our alphabet Q is ready. Trace the alphabet Q on another paper. Mark 0.3 cm and make another alphabet Q. If your strips are short, then you can join the strips. Fold the lines as shown in the video and make cuts. Now simply glue the bended strips and stick on the alphabet Q cutout. For making lid of alphabet Q box, repeat the same process. Your super cute alphabet Q is ready. You can give gifts and chocolates in this box. Now let's make alphabet Q chocolate hamper. You will need alphabet Q cutout out of cardboard. Stick chocolates on it. Your Q alphabet chocolate hamper is ready. If you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.